Okay, I'm sitting on the new Zinus couch. Zinus just came out with a line of couches that have a modern style. The one I'm sitting on is the mid-century sofa from Zinus. Zinus is most popularly known for their mattresses. They make memory foam mattresses, they make hybrid mattresses with spring and foam. Those come compressed in a box. They also make bed frames, which also come in a box. They come flat packed, all of it shipped by UPS or FedEx, delivered straight to your door. So they've won a lot of design awards because of how efficiently they're able to pack product, and also just for the overall aesthetic. And to top it all off, price is extremely competitive. So for the mid-century sofa here, you can get a queen size, as of this taping, for $341. And if you think about sofas, that's quite a deal. Now, it is a very sleek, modern look. Obviously not for everybody, but a modern look does go with most styles. I think this sofa in particular is great for people that would live in an apartment. They may move fairly frequently, so you may not want something that's too heavy or cumbersome to move. This thing does not require any tools to assemble. In fact, you just slide the base into the two arms, you slide in the back, and then the pillows actually have zippers where you zip to the back so they don't come loose. Part of the problem with couches, as you may know, is sometimes they look a little messy when the cushions aren't on right. And so the zippers keep these all fastened. Now all these parts fit into the bottom of the couch here. So when you get the couch, the profile of the box is just a little bit thicker than the couch itself. So again, very efficiently packed. Now to top it all off, even with the $341 price tag, Zinus will give you free shipping and free returns. So you get a 100-night trial with the couch, similar to what the mattress in a box companies are doing. What that means is you can try it out in your house or apartment for 100 nights. If you don't like it and you decide, you know what, I just don't want this, it's not right for me, Zinus will do a free return, so you don't have to pay those shipping charges back. So it's a completely free trial. And this is a new thing that's happening with other couches too. Just as mattresses evolved and became more prominent online, so too that'll happen with couches. And Zinus is one of the first to step into the marketplace of the online couch brands. Now, as you notice, the color, I have more of a neutral charcoal color. You can get something as bold as a red or other colors as well. Now, in terms of sizing, I'm a pretty tall guy. I'm about 6'5". So as you'll notice, I don't ride too deep into the couch. And you also don't have too much sinkage. Zinus, they make foam, and so they use their own foam in this mattress. But you don't get that kind of cushy sinking feel. Now, in terms of height, I'm measuring about a little over 24 inches high from the arm. And then the seat is about almost 18 inches. And just to give you some perspective, so me with my 6'5" frame, obviously I can't totally stretch out, but it is deep enough that I can be comfortable in it. Obviously, if you're shorter, it should work fine. You could easily take a nap on it, but great if you just want extra room for company and you don't want anything too overly pricey. It has a very sleek profile. So if we measure across, specs are on the website, but this is about 75 inches long. So if you're in a tight space, this is a great choice for you. So again, easy to assemble, easy to disassemble if you have to get around tight corners. If you have to pack it frequently, it's very easy. There's absolutely no tools required. Everything snaps and zips right into place. So more information on this couch, just head on over to sleepsherpa.com.